Morning.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very good.
Okay, great to see you. Folks, actually we have Mr. Ben Koh with us here today and he's certified financial planner.
Yes.
But interestingly, he actually manage investment portfolio,
Yep.
which is like generating pretty decent return per annum for his clients.
Yep.
I'm not too sure whether to disclose the ROI per annum or not, but
Maybe
Ben, share
later.
with us, share with us what you really specialize in.
So what I specialize in is to help my clients identify which funds to buy so that they can generate some dividends through the year, because the purpose of helping them invest is to generate cash flow for them.
Wow, okay, cash flow. So how frequent are the cash flow coming in?
So I'm using a collection of 4 different funds that fortunately are paying dividends at different times of the year. So they are paying dividends through the months of March, June, September, November, as well as December.
Wow, okay, sounds good. It's like almost every quarter.
Almost every quarter.
We can expect some kind of cash payout
Yes.
with us. Okay, that's cool. So are you going to share the rate soon or not so soon yet?
So I'm generally able to generate between 10 to 12% every year.
Okay. Actually, that's awesome, isn't it? Because not so easy to get that cash dividend payout. Almost.
Actually, surprising, after I started doing this for my clients, I realized that actually anybody can do it.
Oh really? Oh okay. So are you going to share some secret how you're going to do it, or it takes some special set of like skill or knowledge?
Hard work.
Hard work.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's something to do every day in order to achieve that kind of results.
Wow, every day.
Every day.
Wow. Okay, every day. So that means it's like probably like a system really.
Yes.
It's almost every day.
It is.
Okay. So, but is it generally your profession that
That does this. I'm fortunate that I have a bit of background already, because my dad got me started with investing when I was younger, and along the way I met trainers who were able to share me how certain indicators work as well. So and also fortunately being able to identify these 4 funds that are invested in different sectors of the stock market, and also targeted at generating dividends. So I mean, of course there are many ways to invest, right? There's the way to invest where we focus on capital growth, which I'm not interested in specializing in, because a lot of people are pretty good at it.
Oh, okay. Is it alright? Are you guys good at investing?
So to say I mean, there's a lot of people who are sharing how they are very good at capital growth, right? So for me as a person, I always like to do find things to do that people are not doing.
That's cool.
Then I realized there's not much focus on cash flow, generating a cash flow, and along the way also what motivated me to provide advice and also come up with a strategy like this, right, is because a lot of people are saying how their choices are very limited, and the major reason why they feel their choices are limited is because of a limited cash flow. They are just dependent on the salary that they are earning.
Oh, that's primarily their cash flow.
Yes,
cash flow in.
Yes.
But I think we have a lot of cash flow out.
A lot of cash flow out, correct.
So we need to build even more cash flow in, right?
Yeah, so what they're experiencing is more cash flow out
Correct,
and limited cash flow in. So they are looking for solutions so that they feel that actually with the experience of having more cash flow, they can have more choices.
Fair enough. Yes. I think so. I think we're all trying to look out for probably more regular cash flow in as well, other than our main income streams. Because I think that correct. We need to let our money in the bank work harder or even as hard as us.
Exactly.
So, but I think not so easy to find that cash flow in, and we could be taking quite a fair bit of risk.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also, as we know, risk, right? There's ways to manage risk, as risk transfer, risk avoidance, and risk reduction. So then, only how do we, other than risk avoidance, means we don't invest at all, right? That's risk avoidance.
Correct.
Then of course we don't enjoy the rewards as well, lah. So, but if we are looking at risk mitigation and risk transferring, then we need the knowledge. We need to spend the time to study. We need to spend the time to understand something called indicators as well. And yeah, how much time do we have to create a hypothesis after looking at hypothesis is not the truth, right? When we invest in the market, who can tell the truth of how the market is going to behave the next day, how investors will be feeling the next day as well, right? So these indicators help to provide some insight, but we also need time to interpret the indicators. We need some time to use the indicators to reinforce our hypothesis or to reject our hypothesis. Yeah.
This indicator sounds like when you analyze, what are the good funds to invest in for your client's portfolio, which probably later, we will hopefully find out a little more what you mean by indicators. But actually, for generally, many of us, the indicators, or at least from my perspective, the indicators in the market are inclusive of especially recently, our inflations, our consumer goods. Everything is so inflated with increase in good service tax, even whichever countries you guys are in, and I think energy, oil prices are all going up and all that.
Consumer prices.
That's why I say the outflows are actually all increasing.
Yes.
And it seems like our income is pretty stagnant. Right, so that is why I think it's very crucial for us to really generate cash flows while waiting for our certain capital, invested to appreciate, as what you mentioned,
Yes.
So maybe later you can share with us in our investment portfolio, how many percent should be decent to go for capital appreciation, and how many percent can generate some good cash flow for us to defray our
especially at this point in
cash
time.
outflow. Yes, correct. Let's take a break and we come back again to check out with Ben.
Okay. Later.